Hey guys, Logan Bubble One here, coming at you with a brand new video. And today I'm gonna do something natural here. We'll see how it goes. And today I'm gonna feed the birds. All right. It's kind of it was raining in the morning today, but hopefully it's kind of sunny outside. Alright. Oh god, there's like so many flies. Oh.
Ew.
Going to help me, Mom?
Look at all the flies.
There's so many flies. Oh my god, there's like a crap ton of flies.
That's disgusting.
Ugh.
Bugs
Alright.
and worms and stuff in there.
Okay.
Okay, let's see.
Here
You
you
got
go.
one down? Oh.
Not yet.
What do you want me to do? Help you? Somehow?
Okay. Oh.
How are you gonna do that?
Okay, so.
That's probably good, honey.
Alright, it's pretty good. Okay, now we need to do the next one. Which is, okay. Here we go.
I'll help you.
You got it? Okay, good.
Looks like you can move it a little bit there. Good.
Alright. God, it's like, it's, oh my god, oh my god, it's so hot outside. I think it was like about 70 degrees or something like that. Oh. How many degrees was it?
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, wait, did it break? Oh, you got it?
Just a second here.
Okay, good. Right. Here's the last one.
Okay, ready?
I'm not kidding. It's so warm outside.
Why? I can get your sweatshirt
Oh,
on.
that's too much. Okay. All right. Let's fill up this bird feeder. Here.
No, hold that part up. Oh, just forget it. I'll do this.
Okay.
We'll do it since you get.
All right.
Found it on the ground.
Oh, you're just about there. Dump the whole thing in there.
I did.
There you go. All right. That's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure to give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and if you, just like Okay, that was terrible. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and click the subscribe and then hit the bell so you get notification every time we upload. And yeah, thanks for watching.